Welcome, my fellow math enthusiasts and pie lovers, to our special Pi Day celebration. Today we're not just crunching numbers, we're baking up a storm. But before we start rolling the dough and cutting the apples, let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is pi. This little Greek symbol, pi, stands for a number that's been intriguing mathematicians for centuries. It represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. And it's not just any number, it's approximately 3.14159, and it keeps going on indefinitely, like an all-you-can-eat buffet of digits. Now let's take our pie, for example. If we consider our pie crust as the circumference of a circle and a straight line passing through the center as the diameter, the ratio of the two gives us, yes, you've guessed it, pi. Circumference divided by diameter equals 3.14. Isn't math delicious? But wait, there's more. Pi isn't just about circles and pies. It's in the humble sphere, helping us calculate volume. Can you imagine the number of basketballs in a gym without pi? And who knew? Pi even sneaks into our pizza parties, helping us estimate how many delicious slices we can get from a family-sized pizza. From the orbits of celestial bodies to the ripples in a pond, pi is everywhere. Pi truly is the unsung hero of the mathematical world, popping up in equations everywhere we look. And there you have it, folks. As our pie bakes to golden perfection, let's raise our spatulas and celebrate the wonder of pi on this special Pi Day. It's a time to marvel at the mysterious constant that winds its way through our world, from the spheres of science to the circles of our everyday life. So, as we bite into our pies, let's toast to the infinite, the irrational, and the utterly delicious. Now that's what I call a mathematical masterpiece. Happy Pi Day, everyone.